a boomerang aeroplane. It's going to be great. But what is a boomerang? A boomerang is a weapon used by Australians for hunting. Boomerang is a special weapon which comes back to you after it's done hunting. I'm not going to make a boomerang but a boomerang aeroplane. For this model you only need a piece of origami paper. So this is the boomerang model I'm going to make. It's a paper plane as you can see, as I already told. Let's go! So to make the origami model, you want to first fold this in half. Now you want to unfold and fold this in half the other direction. Now you want to press it in the middle and unfold. For visibility, you can just use anything you can draw with and draw a line there. Now you want to take the part you just took and place it in that line. Then you want to press in the middle again. Now you want to unfold and then fold this in half. There. And also if you want, as I said, line. Now you want to fold there and do not press in the middle. You just want to completely crease. Now you want to fold like a normal airplane and just fold it there on the line and fold it this way. So there we go. Now we have straight good line. Now you want to fold this down and before we did line, right, you can see that line here. That's why I actually told you to put the black mark. Now you want to put this mark to the top. So I'll just mark that. I want to put this to here. So let's go and do that. So put that all the way to the top, as you can see. I'm just going up and then touch it there and then crease. It's actually a little hard to do, but with it you can get it right. Now you want to fold this in half right in the middle of the triangle there, and you want to align this properly because this is important. There, now you want to fold that down and crease, and now you want to, so there are two reference marks you need to first do, and they all come in order. So this is the first reference mark. So let's go and fix that. You want to push this and make a sharp point. So put that like that. Then you want to see that this comes along, and then you want to do that and cover this. So you want to cover that, and after you did cover that, just push it down and crease. Now you want to turn it over and do the same. Now you want to fold that down, that there, and there you have it. Now you want to open this up, and then you want to fold this up like that and fold this up also. Now you want to take your some wood part and just fold this down. So just fold that down, press that, then you want to turn around and you can see that this has come standing up. So now let's see this in action. Test flight time! Whoa, it's coming back! Let's try that again. Whoa! One more time. Whoa! Number 3 comes back. Again. So, I hope you enjoyed this my new boomerang plane video. Click here to subscribe to me. Click on any of these videos to watch another awesome video of mine. So for now, bye.